Hello everyone. Because Elon Musk is extremely intelligent, and that's why he finds coronavirus dumb. And for that matter, any human being would find coronavirus dumb for the access and amount of information that we have, the knowledge that we have. It appears as if compared to a human being, coronavirus or any virus or any other thing, any other story has a very limited and lesser amount of knowledge. So when you compare two entities, the one which has more information, the one which has more knowledge is definitely more intelligent, and the other one is definitely dumber. So definitely coronavirus is dumber than Elon Musk and all of us for that matter. But the thing is that coronavirus is learning. As I told you, it is trying to feed on data. It is trying to learn new things every day out of the data that is out there, and it is trying to create new abstracts, trying to take information out of us, and at the same time, we also try to take new information out of this particular virus and out of the available chaos that is there. So yeah, and that's relativity. When Elon Musk says that coronavirus is down, this is relativity. I was thinking that what I said in last video, that I'll try to uh, connect the ideas of the theories of relativity, the special theory and the general theory, and Dr. Harari's finding. But for the sake of the vastness of the matter, I figured that the length of the lecture was actually becoming too much. So I needed to work out the pedagogy. I needed to I figured that I need to break it down into small chunk of videos and present it in a way that can be, so that it can be easily accessed, and it can be easily understood. And I figured that for that I need a production facility. So I'm waiting for this whole pandemic, this whole time to get over, and definitely I'll come up with that story sometime. Right now, I want to talk about what I told you in the first video, that how to get the right information about the virus, how to uh, 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 make coronavirus stay dumb, and how ourselves to become more intelligent. So I'll tell you some sources of information. Uh, I will not talk about again the technical concepts like bias, truth, and other things, the properties of information. That again goes very technical. So I'll just tell you some trusted source where you can get the latest research that is happening, the latest conclusions that are being drawn, the latest knowledge that scientists are being able to draw from the genome sequence of the coronavirus, and the general behavior that they are observing about coronavirus. So the first source, and one of the most important source, is the website of National Institute of Health. So just go on the website of National Institute of Health, and you will get a lot of information out there. Every latest published research is uh, right there, that you can access for free. And apart from that, if you go on the website of Springer Nature, Nature magazine, then the latest research that are being published in Nature magazine, the abstracts of all those research are there, and the conclusions of all those research are also there. So these are two websites where about the virus, technical details, and research related to the mutations, and the other information that is inside the virus, the info related to how where we are in terms of development of vaccination, controlled clinical trials of drugs, and other things related to virus. All the information, I think, you should be able to find. National Institute of Health's website is a good website. Uh, so I think, yeah, that is, if you're interested in finding in getting more information about the virus, this is where you can go. Uh, Other than that, I think, yeah, nothing much about the other sources. Uh, it's very hard, again, to uh, any other educational source related to virus. Maybe, uh, just probably uh, keep googling, and try to read the research articles. So I think that's the way. uh, so yeah, I'll if I get any other info, if I get anything new about the virus, yeah, one novel information that I have got, that you can also see, is that the virus, the novelty, uh, uh, his novelty or her novelty, I don't know how to say, its novelty has been found to stay for hours on surfaces, for several hours and up to days also on surfaces. So this is one thing that scientists have confirmed, and if you go to the National uh, Institute of Health's website, you will find this research. So yeah, so it is being active in air, on the surfaces. Once released out of the host, on these surfaces, it is found to stay for hours. So now, what does that mean? Does that mean that its efficiency of spread is going to increase? Uh, uh, Nothing, no such conclusion like that has been drawn. But yeah, let's stay aware, let's stay informed, and I think, when we don't know about something, it looks scary. But when we have knowledge about something, it's no longer scary anymore. You know. So yeah, that's it. If I get any new info, I'll come up with that. Stay alert, stay informed, stay safe, and yeah, let's have fun. Let's enjoy being home. Let's enjoy working from home. It's been a dream for us, isn't it? So yeah, take care, everyone.